Y'all asked for it, so here it is. I'm bringing the tutorial of the low ponytail with the swoop bang on my natural hair. So let's get into it. As you see, this is my afro. So this is after using the dew mousse on my hair as a wash and go. This is like day 3 or 4. So as you see, it still was giving. It had some curls there, but I just wanted to switch it up and do a hairstyle. Before I even do the ponytail, I like to spray some water. So it was a little bit on the kinky side because I have not moisturized my hair. So it's a little bit more difficult to create these parts. As you see, I had to pry it open, y'all. So I just went ahead and sprayed some more water to kind of loosen it up. So yeah, I'm just creating this part right here so I can do the bang.
Can you find the light? Do you feel the light?
Now that we finally got the bang going on, I'm just spraying some more water on it so I can actually comb it out because I do not want any kinks in this. I want this bang to be sleek, y'all. So I'm just using my pick to comb out any tangles and I'm just twisting it up to get it out of the way. Now I'm just creating a part so I can go ahead and cornrow 2 braids in the front to, you know, give the little look that I'm trying to give. So I just put this rest of my hair back. So I just used some Esha Sleek and Slay braiding gel, and I'm using that to create my parts but also to help sleek as well. And as you see here, I'm just combing out this part right here, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and start cornrowing. So as you see, I'm just braiding my hair. I try not to look in the mirror when I'm braiding my hair because it kind of tricks me and makes me mess up. So as you see, I am looking in the mirror, but I'm trying not to at the same time because I don't know, it was a little bit janky at first, so I did have to redo this whole cornrow again. But as you see, I'm just braiding down here, and I'm just gonna repeat the same step. So I am gonna have 2 of these braids.
Look in my eyes. Do you mind the light? Do you feel the light? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just goes strong. Just leave it alone, but you're
I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I ain't really know what direction I was going in because as you see, I was braiding it back because I was trying to do all braids on this side, and then I was just like, nah, I don't really like that. I didn't even like how the braid was coming out, so I ended up just switching it and doing it this way. So this kind of was an accident hairstyle, as you may say, or whatever you want to say. But yeah, and it came out cute. So that's really how I do my hairstyle. I kind of just like go with the flow, and however I am led, that's just how it's gonna be. So yeah, I just be going with the flow. I be having kind of like an idea in my head, but majority of the time I really don't know how my hair is gonna turn out because it is, you know, it's natural hair, it's kinky. So some styles may work, some may not. So what I'm doing is just getting this part right here, and I'm just connecting these 2 hanging braids with it and just getting everything out the way. So I'm just respraying my hair because it do get dry real fast, y'all. So I'm just spraying my hair, and I'm applying some Eco Styler gel. It is the argan oil kind. I didn't show it because I don't know, I just didn't feel like picking up that big old container and showing it. I just really wanted to get through this, y'all. But anyway, so I'm just smoothing it with my hands. As you see, I'm being messy with it. It's okay though, it's on the floor. I'll pick it up a little bit later. But anyway, so I'm just smoothing this with my hands, and as you see, I'm showing y'all the gel, and I just plopped it, y'all. Like I use this gel, like I really would just like, we gonna make this sleek. Okay, so you know I had to do my little curly suit right here, so I like to bring this little curl out on the side right here to give a little look. So now I'm going to be taking my ponytail hook. You can find that in the link in the description box, so that way you can go ahead and click on it and purchase it from my Amazon store, you know. But anyway, so I'm just getting that hook, and I'm just, you know, create my ponytail. So here is my side ponytail that I created, and I'm just applying some more Esha Slick and Slay braiding gel on my edges to give that sleek look because the gel don't really work on its own. I do have to apply a second layer to really get my hair laying down, and plus I didn't like put any scarf on it and anything to just make it lay flat. I don't really care for like edges laid and sleek and all that. I just really just wanted it to look polished and neat. But anyway, so I'm just taking down my bang here, and I'm spraying some water on it, and what I'm doing is applying some more Eco Styler gel on here so that way we can have a sleek bang. Y'all, this bang was a little bit struggle this time because I was just like, dude, I kind of forgot how I did it the last time I did the bang. But anyway, so I'm just using my hard bristle brush. It just works for me, especially with kinky natural hair like mine. So I'm just using this hard bristle brush, and I'm using my hand to press down, and I'm trying to create the swoop. place it behind my ear so that way I can actually, you know, brush this down to kind of sleek it and shape it. So this is me just looking at it, and I did end up applying some Esha Slick and Slay as well on there, just a little bit of it, not too much, but I'm just applying it on the top so I can actually help hold it into place. And I'm just brushing, y'all. That's all you do. You just brush away. Like, you just kind of go with the shape of how you want it to be.
This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you?
Y'all gonna see me take this brush and keep on swooping. Like, I was swooping, y'all. I was swooping away because I just wanted it to be perfect. And I don't know, I'm a perfectionist, I don't know. But as you see, it created a little bit of gap. I was kind of messing it up. I was like, all right, now slow down, don't get too excited, now you messing up.
Surely get along, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret's safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on below. Gotta hunger.
So instead of using bobby pins, I'm also taking another hair ponytail hook and just kind of like securing my bang with that as well. And as you see, I got my handy dandy brush, and also I'm wiping my makeup away, y'all. Look at that, I swooped it with a comb. I tried, and it was makeup on there, so I had to wipe it off. I don't know, y'all. I was really trying to get it swoop, and it was all so sleek. I don't know what I was trying to do. But anyway, so I'm just taking the bobby pins, and I'm just taking this braid, and I'm gonna put that behind my ear and just kind of secure it. Now, when it came to the braid, I was like, what do I do with this second piece? Should I make it like that, or should I kind of like cross it over each other? I was like, that could be a look. I really didn't know what I was trying to go for, but I went on ahead and put my bobby pin and I secured it, and it looked cute now that I'm looking at it, because the way I was going to actually style it. But I was like, let me just go ahead and just keep it simple and just go ahead and put it like this in the front. So that's how I really created the look, y'all.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe.
I'm like, okay, I got it all together, y'all. So now I'm just spraying some water on my ponytail, and I'm trying to, you know, shape it up and pick it out and, you know, make it look all cute and everything. So I just went on ahead and did that. So now I was like, this is cute, but you know I had to add some jewelry in it. So I went on ahead and I added some gold hair jewelry, and this is the completed look, y'all. I was so excited. I was like, did she just do this? Like, what? I swear, sometimes I don't be knowing my own potential, but I'm like, dude, this is actually a really cute hairstyle. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up if you like it, and if you are new, please subscribe. Love y'all. Bye.